Hmm. Learning science even after completing academics is vital for personal growth, informed decision making, and contributing positively to society. Here are a few compelling reasons. 1. Understanding the world around you. Science explains how things work, from natural phenomena like weather patterns to technological advancements like smartphones and AI. A better understanding of scientific concepts enhances your appreciation of the world. 2. Making informed decisions. From health choices to environmental issues, science empowers you to evaluate facts critically and make decisions based on evidence. For example, understanding basic biology can help you interpret medical advice better. 3. Adapting to technological advances. The world is rapidly evolving with innovations like AI, renewable energy, and biotechnology. Staying updated with science helps you stay relevant in conversations and careers. 4. Boosting problem solving skills. Science encourages logical thinking and problem solving, which are essential for tackling challenges in both personal and professional life. 5. Contributing to society. Awareness of scientific principles can guide responsible behavior, like conserving resources or understanding the impact of pollution on climate change. 6. Enhancing curiosity and creativity. Science fuels curiosity, inspiring you to ask questions, explore, and think critically about possibilities. 7. Career growth and opportunities. Knowledge of science can open doors to career changes, entrepreneurial ventures, or hobbies like coding, gardening, or astronomy. 8. Lifelong learning is empowering. Pursuing knowledge beyond academics keeps your mind sharp and gives a sense of accomplishment. How to start learning science again. Read books like Science Encyclopedia, interesting facts about all elements of the periodic table. Watch documentaries or YouTube channels about science. Enroll in online courses or attend local workshops. Explore hobbies rooted in science like stargazing or experimenting with DIY projects. Even after academics, science remains a tool to enrich your life and connect meaningfully with the evolving world.